PROMAG, detecting the undetectable. Magnetic particle inspection. Control panel houses control buttons and HMI for parameter setup and current display. Contact headstock. Press foot switch to activate cylinder. Clamps releases workpiece for contact magnetization. Coil provides longitudinal magnetization. Ensure coil is locked on track before use to prevent damage. Contact tailstock. Ensure tailstock is locked on track before clamping or magnetizing to prevent damage. Push rod functions same as the magnetize button. Allows for convenient operation. Support stand provides auxiliary support for long workpieces. HMI control panel overview. HMI introduction. Screen descriptions. Operator screen. Contact short selected. DC current range 0 to 5000 amperes. EC current range 0 to 4000 amperes. Coil short selected. DC current range 0 to 3500 amperes. EC current range 0 to 1500 amperes. Magnetization time. The magnetizing time can be set from 0.5 to 2 seconds. Operation guide. Magnetic particle inspection is used to detect surface defects in ferromagnetic materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. After positioning equipment, check all connections before turning on main power. Connect three-phase power here. Turn on external breaker. Confirm main power light is on. Press power on. Wait for HMI to display. Install corresponding piping as indicated before starting the circulation pump. Connect pressure gauge and agitator motor cables to the junction box as indicated. Verify magnetic bath liquid level is adequate. Turn on circulation pump. Circulate for a minimum of 15 minutes. Clamp workpiece following positioning instructions. Add appropriate current for the workpiece. Avoid overheating. Press contact or coil button to select magnetization direction. Press contact or coil button to select magnetization direction. Use nozzle or spray can to spray magnetic suspension onto workpiece. Once the workpiece is fully covered, press magnetize button or push bar to apply current. After magnetization, press the magnetize, then press foot switch to release workpiece. PROMAG, your non-destructive testing specialist.